Hey YouTube, Carla here. Welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers, life, and tech. And for this episode, we're going to do a massive triple unboxing. Let's go. If you guys haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so because we are raffling away the Supreme Body Bag. The winner will be drawn this coming Sunday. Subscribe now, hit the notification bell, follow me on IG, go! This vlog is an unboxing of 3 sneakers. The first one is something from Adidas, and then the next 2 sneakers will be from Off-White and Nike. The 2 Off-White sneakers are not part of the OG 10 guys, but it is the same silhouette, a silhouette that I've grown to love ever since I've started beating up that particular sneaker. We'll get to that in a bit. Let's start first with this pair from Adidas. Now, I mentioned in a previous vlog, I think it was a vlog that I did a few days ago, that I absolutely love the new PHARRELL NMDs. This is your inspiration pack. I picked up the black colorway with the black on black embroidery, the pop with the orange laces and the outsole, and that light bluish kind of like heel cage around the side. It was a fantastic sneaker, very subtle, very fresh, very clean, unlike a lot of the other NMDs that PHARRELL and Adidas have released in the last few months. That's the reason why I actually ended up loving that pair. Now this is my second pair. That's how much I loved it. I actually bought another colorway. This one is the Pharrell Williams Solar U NMD Inspiration Pack. Again, it's a full size up. It's your typical Pharrell box with the human logo here, the details over there. It does sell for 13,000 pesos. Now, I have the black one, so I went ahead and copped the white version. So here you guys have it. This is the Pharrell Williams Inspiration Pack NMD in white, and it looks friggin' amazing. So as you guys can see here, the prime knit upper is in all white, and you have the Chinese embroidery on both sides or both pairs of the sneaker, which of course stand for inspire and empower. If you take a look at the pop or the accents of the sneaker, of course you have the laces with the green one, but you can swap it out for that white lace that comes along with it. Or you can also check out the pop that you see with the collar, with the tribal print, as well as that really nice yellow Adidas logo here at the back, as well as the Pharrell Williams logo on the other sneaker. What I love about this particular pair is that it is so much more cleaner compared to the other releases in the pack, because as you guys can see here, even the outsole is white compared to the other Pharrell Williams NMDs that came in this pack that had different colors for the outsole for additional pops. So again, guys, if you are looking for a brand new NMD, you might want to check out the Pharrell Williams Inspiration Pack. I've been really loving this particular set, and if budget wasn't an issue, I probably would have bought like the entire 4-piece collection, and I would have probably just have them on display here on my shoe rack at the back. I almost can't believe I'm about to say the next line, but this next unboxing is brought to you by our sponsor. Wait, kinilig ako doon. Our sponsor. We have a sponsor for the vlog, so I will be unboxing something from them. This is from a brand called Rose Gold and Black. It's actually a brand that I first met when I was watching Jose Zuniga over at Teaching Men's Fashion. He would actually talk a lot about the brand, so it just kind of feels surreal that they actually reached out and asked if they can support this community, this vlog that we have here in the Philippines. So yeah, I just feel so blessed. I just feel so amazed that it's reached this point that we actually have a sponsor for the vlog. But yeah, guys, they sent like a really awesome package over. I will be putting a link down below so you guys can buy it at a discount. We have a 25% discount. All you have to do is click the link down below, shop whatever it is that you guys want, and it gets applied to the prices that you guys buy, gets shipped directly to your doorstep here in the Philippines. So let's unbox. Here you have it. It says there RG and B. Very premium, not your typical type of box when it comes to accessories or stuff that you buy online. So you can definitely tell that they want that premium experience. They want that pleasant experience for you when you unbox their products. When you open it, you have like some sort of manual that says Rose Gold and Black. And the actual product comes in a really nice pouch that you guys see here that also says Rose Gold and Black. Let's just take a quick look at what's inside the manual, or at least the card. You have a certificate of authenticity that says here, and you have other details like your typical information about the brand here on this packet. If you poke inside, let's see what we got here. What? Okay, guys. Boom, literally, boom. They sent me a grenade necklace in rose gold. This looks absolutely sick. Apart from their necklaces, they also have like bracelets. Like this one is more of a beaded bracelet. They do have like leather bracelets if you want to switch it up to something a little more formal, a little more subtle, and not, you know, too loud. So let's box this other package that we got. Let's pop it open, and we have another beaded bracelet. As you guys can see here, this one is in clear white. And again, you have the accents of rose gold along the side of the clasp of the bracelet. So yeah, guys, those are some of the packages that we received from Rose Gold and Black. We will be unboxing a few more next week. But yeah, if you want to buy some of them, they ship directly here in the Philippines. I'll put the link down below to the actual website. And again, there will be a 25% discount waiting for all of you who click the link down below. Thank you, Rose Gold and Black. You guys rock. The next two sneakers that I will be unboxing come from Nike and Off-White. So again, it's a collab between the two, Virgil Abloh and Nike, but it's not part of the OG 10, the collection that I've been trying to complete. But this is actually part from the silhouette or different colorways of a silhouette of the top 10 that I've really fallen in love with. And that silhouette, of course, is this particular sneaker here at the back. This is the OG Off-White Nike Blazer. Now, what happened a few weeks ago or months ago, the Spooky Pack actually came out, and it consisted of two colorways of the Off-White Blazer, Nike Blazer. One was called the Grim Reaper in black, and the other one was called All Hallows Eve, if I remember correctly, with a beige colorway with a loud orange swoosh. So which one did we get? Of course, we got both. So let's start with this one. I have no idea what color this particular sneaker is, so let's just take it out of the paper bag. So it comes in your typical Off-White Nike, carton box. It just says there Nike swoosh, and then you have the rest of the information here at the side of the sneaker. It says there the 10 Nike Blazer Mid Off-White. So let's take a look at what's inside the box. So yeah, guys, let's pop this box open. So you have this familiar Nike inverted box. So this is supposed to be the external part of the box, but as with Off-White, they kinda inverted it to get that really cool look. Now you have the tissue paper here with the alternating Nike and Off-White logos, and woo, there you have it. Here we have it. This is it, guys. This is the Nike Blazer Mid Off-White in the All Hallows Eve, if I'm not mistaken, colorway. Oh man, it looks freaking amazing. Man, I really have to say, this looks so much better in hand than in pictures or in videos. The craftsmanship and quality and the colors just pop. Oh my, I am really digging this pair. So you have the beige upper, you have the orange swoosh, you have the orange stitching, you have that suede paneling along the eyelets, and then you have the familiar markings there along the side. Man, this looks really great. I just love also how the exposed foam wraps around the Nike logo here at the back. And yeah, man, I am absolutely loving this particular pair. Now, if you take a look at what else is in the box, you have an extra set of laces in blue. It says they're shoelaces. And what else is here? Yeah, so that's it. So here's the other pair. Here you have it. This is the Nike Blazer Mid Off-White in the All Hallows Eve colorway. We will be doing a full review of this pair in the coming days ahead, so please do watch out for that one. But of course, we're not done yet. We have another box over here. This is the second Off-White Nike Blazer. This is the second colorway. So as you guys can see, it goes with that typical brown carton box, just like the first sneaker. And it says here along the side, the 10 Nike Blazer Mid Black White Cone Black. This is the Grim Reaper colorway. So let's pop it open and take a look at the sneaker. So here we have the box. So let's just pop this lid open, and it's the same box or same packaging style. You have the inverted Nike, box. So the red part is inside, the brown is outside. You have the same tissue paper with the Nike, and oh wow, look at that. Again, guys, this looks so much better in person than it does in pictures or in video. I mean, wow, it really doesn't do it justice. You have to hold it or at least see it up close to appreciate the quality and craftsmanship of this particular pair. I just love the design. This one is probably one of the better releases of Off-White because this will be so easy to wear. I mean, you can pretty much wear this with anything because of the neutral colors. And if you want to make it pop, all you have to do is, does it come with extra laces? Oh yeah, there you go. All you have to do is change it to the white laces that it has here. And then of course, it will have a little more pop and a little more character if you keep it with the black, well, instead of keeping it with the black laces. Now again, it does have it still has some sort of accent with that orange tag here at the back, as well as the orange stitching at the tongue. But apart from that, the loudest thing about it obviously is that giant swoosh that you see along the side. I know that the orange one, that the All Hallows Eve version has a better resale value, but if you ask me, this is my favorite between the two just because it is so much easier to wear. So yeah guys, those were the 3 sneakers that I wanted to unbox for you. You have the Pharrell Williams NMD Inspiration Pack in white. You have the Off-White Nike Mid Blazer Grim Reaper, and you have the Off-White Nike All Hallows Eve Blazer. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Please do make sure to check out Rose Gold and Black down below. Show the sponsor some love because they are making all of the videos possible by sponsoring them. That's it for now. I hope you're all having a great week. Peace, God bless, boom!